Joanne, you did just a beautiful job on your instructional edited video about the Navajo Code Talkers. I was really excited to learn so much more about them. I had only heard just sort of the bare minimal. So it was really a very interesting video for me to watch and very appropriate for the level of students that you're going to be or that you are teaching. You immediately caught my attention with that opening, just kind of the interesting images, and then placing yourself right at the very front was great, just because it sort of set the tone that you're there and you're doing the instruction. And that was really a wonderful way for you to approach the video. You used beautiful music that was very, very important to capture the mood of the Navajos and the tragedy. The images that you used were really provocative and very eye-catching and also engaging. So really well done. Your narration was excellent, very clear, very calm, and it was very easy to hear. There's only one part sort of towards the end where the music got a little bit loud, and so it was a little bit harder to hear you, but I could still hear you. I would just recommend, if you were in the future, just maybe lower that background music while you're talking. You had really wonderful eye contact, so that was great too, because again, it just gives a feel that, hey, you're here and you're instructing me, the student. That was really wonderful. It was super interesting to learn about the different important figures of the Navajo Indians and their roles and the code talking, and that was kind of fun to hear you give examples of some of the words and what they meant. I think that really was very engaging, and I'm sure that will pique a lot of the students' interest. You had some really nice transitions in there, and at the end you added your citations. So super well done. You did a really nice job of capturing all the elements that we were looking for in these edited instructional videos. So kudos to you. I hope that your students enjoy this, and in particular, it's a great way to lead into the lesson as sort of a setup for what's to come. So job well done. Thank you for putting so much effort into this project.